Hello and welcome to the Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary for market week ending Friday, January 3rd, 2014. Market breadth. With this past week's market fractional decline, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 1.82 to 1.88, advancing slightly within bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns declined fractionally to 2,435. The count of bearish stocks decreased 2%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 1%. The Sand to Pearls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 17 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 62 points for the 10th rise in 22 weeks. At a positive 374.92 points, it remains above the November 2011 top and below all 8 other tops above plus 100 in the last 35 months. Market gauge volume analysis was not available this week. Momentum. At Monday 12/16 close, we received a zero-line reject long entry signal. The next day, the CCI 20 dropped, but stayed above the zero-line reject pivot point, so we stayed in the trade. This week, at 1/2 close, the CCI 20 fell under plus 100, so we exited the trade with a gain of 119.68 points on the Nasdaq Composite, or $1.93 per share of QQQ. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 46 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 15 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly continues above plus 100 and remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and only 2 of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, disk drives, computer hardware, and networkers remain in the top 5. REITs has left the bottom 5. Bearish, S&P retail remains in the bottom 5. Gold and silver has left the bottom 5. Focus this week. There are actually 2 articles this week in the focus. First one is Jim Rogers warns Bernanke has set the stage for the Fed's collapse. And the second article is Billionaires dumping stocks. Economist knows why. Here's a quote from the second article. It's very likely that these professional investors are aware of specific research that points toward a massive market correction, as much as 90%. A little something for you to take into consideration as you plan your future trades and investing. Thank you for joining us for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary. We hope that you are having a great weekend, that you have a wonderful week coming up, and we wish you true success.